Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to take you to the bathroom and show you how I came up with this look. Stay tuned and I will show you the before and the after without the decor. Hey guys, this is V and welcome to Designs by V. I am taking you through my bathroom to show you how I came up with what I have. As you know, I was participating in a collaboration with Wani from Wani's House, and it was a 6 weeks collaboration. And in 6 weeks, you're supposed to show a different area that you have done in your space. It's a one-room challenge. And this was the room that I chose, my bathroom. And guys, this is how everything looked before. And what I didn't show you, I had done some of the work already in, I think was November, and I just left it alone, and the collaboration came in the perfect time. So as you've seen and you have seen in the other video, this is some of the work that I do. I'm going to show you the space without the decor and show you what it looked like. I did work up until practically the last minute. So I removed the sink, pushing it over a bit so I could get the cabinet in there, and moving everything. I end up showing you how, if you have a screw that is stripped, how you back the screw out with a drill. I show you how to do baseboard. I also show you, like, if you mess up on an area, how you could fix it, and how to remove glue from off of marble. And I also show you how I remove the sink and the trap, the water hose, and attach everything back. And that's me cleaning the area before I put it back. This cabinet that you're seeing in the distance, that was also a DIY. It has wheels under it, and I just enjoy the space now. I think I did a good job. So now I'm putting everything back together, and I'm showing you again how to back another screw out that got stripped. So I'm putting the trap back and adjusting everything to finish off this bathroom. So now, as you see, the toilet is covered because I didn't want to mess it up. I also hung glass shelves. I DIY a chandelier by taking some of the strings off, the glass beads off, this crystal, washing them with a little bit of bleach and Dawn dish liquid, cleaning them. And this is me showing you how I strung the chandelier and hung it up. I also wired it. And that was a medallion that I was putting up. This is a chandelier and how it looked. And this is how my piece came up. There was actually three pieces. And I only end up using 2 pieces in the bathroom. Plus I put one on top of the smaller one on top of the larger one. And I added a glass shelf. The glass shelves, I got them from Steinmart when they were going out of business. And they're very thick glass. They just came in handy. That project wasn't even in my mind. When I got the glass from Steinmart, that project was not in my mind, but it came in very handy. And this cabinet here, I got the cabinet free because I had purchased one before, and the thrift store, they sold it, so they end up giving me that one for my inconvenience. Chandelier, I had it a long time ago, just finally able to use it. The curtains, they were thrifted. I did do an accent wall, that's gray, can't remember the name of the paint. I also added a chair railing, added glass shelves. I DIY that mirror. It was a medicine cabinet. Right here, my lights was also DIY. And I used the lace wire to go around it to kind of give it a little French look. This is my vanity, and everything, I just love it. I just love it. This is how everything came out. The glass shelf, I used some brackets that I got from Steinmark to anchor them in the wall. And if you need a video on how I did it, I could show you. So this is how everything is looking. The wainscoting, the chair rail go all the way around. And my light fixture is done. And this is how everything is looking. Look like the perfect built-in. That pedestal, I DIY that pedestal myself also. I moved the towel rack to the other side of the wall like I told you. And my overhead, I did the door also. I got cabinets door for it. In the back of my mirror, in the back of my glass shelf, yes, there's a mirror. Great for reflection. I just absolutely love it. And again, here is, my lights were modern, and I give it that lace look so I could get that. I'm actually going for a French look. So guys, this is my bathroom.